everybody? It's Caleb Nash Feemster coming at you again with another episode of
Do or Pie!
Nice.
Give me my money.
You didn't work on it. No, I'll pay you later. Just fill out a W-9. Anyway, today it's just me and Josh, which is enough.
Thanks.
We are doing a Dizzy Nerf battle. Guys, me and Josh had a really cool opportunity to go up to New York with, I guess there's 14 other influencers because we made 16, and compete in an Ultra One Nerf Blaster battle in celebration of the release of the new Nerf Ultra One. It was a really fun time. There's 3 different zones. Zone 1 was a bunch of different targets and you just spun in a circle. Zone 2 was more active, more distance accuracy. Zone 3 was just kind of all over the place, where we got to compete and battle it out for a chance to win $10,000.
We're not allowed to tell you who won, but it was one of the 16 of us, so there's a 2 in 16 chance.
1 in 8.
If you want to break it down, want to get all mathematical, 1 in 8. That one of us won $10,000.
That was real mathematical, Josh.
Thanks. I went to grade school.
You did. So guys, in celebration of that contest today, Josh and I are going to be using these new blasters in a little bit of an accuracy challenge. But you know, we can't just do it regular shooting. We got to add a twist. So before every challenge, we got to get mad dizzy. Challenge number 1. Here we go. So for the first challenge, we have, thank you Nerf, for a little target set up here. It's gonna be aiming at the different targets for more or less points, and it'll go straight through. Boom. Whoever has the most at the end of this round wins. 10 spins before you can shoot, Josh. Josh,
Ready?
are you ready?
So ready, here we go. 1 spin,
2
spins.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10,
I can see something.
25, 25.
No, get it.
He's in trouble, folks.
This target
It keeps
plays really
hitting.
good defense.
It keeps hitting it.
Oh, that went in, right?
75. 125.
That
It went
went
in
in.
and out. It was a
Okay.
50, so 125. Oh, the defense is unreal.
That went in.
150.
Is that it? That's it.
You out?
Wow. Some of those were, I swear,
Yeah,
I
they
have been hitting these targets and saying,
And it just
nope.
wasn't going all the way in.
But,
Interesting. But you got a total of 150 points.
150.
Not bad. Oh, that was a strong high five. So the score to beat is 150.
10 spins.
Oh man, this is the part I'm not looking forward to. Hey.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
I can't see. I can't see anything. Oh, they're all hitting it.
25. 25. 25. 75.
50,
Go ahead.
125, 150, 175, 200.
Well, you won.
Yeah, I really don't have to keep going, huh?
Wow. Ow. No. Stop. Ow. Ow. Stop. Stop. Okay, you win. You win. You win. Caleb takes round 1.
All right, guys, for this next round, we have 5 towers here. Okay, you can knock everything off. The ping pong balls are worth 5 points if you just hit straight ping pong ball.
Ooh, that's like ninja skills.
That's sharpshooter. The top cup is 3 points, bottom cup is 1 point.
Okay, so each tower is potentially worth, let me do the mathematical thing again.
3, 8, 9.
Ooh.
Nice. Yeah, but like, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, if one of us gets one of those ping pong balls, I'm gonna be very impressed.
Well, here's the thing. If you're a bad shooter and you hit the 5 bottom ones, you're kind of done.
That's
5
true.
points and
That's
you're
true.
done.
That's true. Okay.
Josh, I'll go first since you went first last.
How many spins this time? Same as last?
I think it's, should we spin every shot? Okay, between every shot, you just have to spin once.
Got it.
Before you can shoot again.
Okay, let's see it.
You gotta start with 5 spins though.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss.
Oh,
Miss. You're aiming high. Trying to get those ping pong balls.
1.
That was just a 1.
Oh, that grazed it. Yo, the 1 spin.
What are you doing?
I'm sick. Oh my gosh. What the heck?
You better get some points on the board.
I'm dying, man.
Oh.
Time out. What was? I feel like that was straight ping pong.
I mean, clearly wasn't. So that's 4 points. You're hurting right now.
I'm not feeling well. This is. What happened there? Josh, this is not a fun. We should have done 10 shots.
Keep going. Spin. All right.
Messed up too much.
Whoa. What did you hit there?
The middle one.
The middle one. Okay, so you have 7 points.
I didn't spin, but
I'll give it to you. 7 points total. That was pretty bad, not gonna lie.
Josh's turn. All right, Josh, you have to beat 42.
You're not making me look forward to this round right now.
Yeah, it didn't. It's yeah.
Wait,
what?
look, you have to beat what?
42.
42.
Yeah.
You got 7.
No, 42. Because I hit all 5 of the ping pong balls off, which is 25.
You got 7.
And then, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3.
Oh. Oh my God.
Yeah, it doesn't feel good, huh? Guys, the dizziness really takes effect on you. Four. 7. One more to win. Uh-oh, you just need 1.
No, come on.
Yeah, you can stop now. Unless you want to keep going. Why would you have to keep going?
Had to show that I could. Yeah, what up, ping pong balls? I wish
Call
one of us. You did hit a ping pong ball, but it also hit a lot of cup. But would have been cool if someone
think
just
they
sniped
hit
the ping pong ball off the top.
It would have been really cool. You know what else would have been dope?
I don't have my glasses on. I don't have my glasses on. Come in.
Open up.
Come on in.
It's the Nerf police.
Oh, hello.
How are you doing? I think I need to do a thorough check of the house.
Okay.
For the last round, we'll have 45 seconds to move throughout the house as quick as possible. We have tons of targets all over. Every target is 1 point. 45 seconds. Whoever hits the most at the end wins.
You ready?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Ready, set, go. 1,
Moving on.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh no!
Uh-oh. Is that it?
Out.
You're out.
Ow, man.
You were Russian.
I was moving through it.
You just hit 30
No,
seconds.
I was American.
You just hit 30 seconds.
Really? Moved
So I learned from your mistakes.
Yeah, I was moving too fast. I got caught up in the moment, like a training exercise.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Okay, cool. All right, Josh, are you ready?
I'm ready.
45 seconds to hit as many targets as you can hit. Good luck beating 10. On your mark, get set, go. 1. Oh, he's moving on. That's smart. Count up. 2, 3, 4.
Come on.
5. Oh dang, I didn't realize we could get so close. 6. 7.
Assassination style.
8. 9. 10 seconds. 10.
run out of time.
You almost ran out of time.
I had a few.
Jeez. Well, if I was gonna shoot that close, jeez.
Hey, I had my time.
I was trying to keep a respectful distance.
Well, I learned from your mistakes that I had plenty of time.
You learned from my mistakes of playing fairly.
Caleb's gonna get a pie to the face because he lost this competition.
But like, it's also my channel, so maybe not. You never know.
Okay, so
y'all want to hear a fun story? Josh, would you like to tell him what you just did, or do you want me to?
yeah. So I already pied him, and I forgot to turn the camera on. So
we weren't recording the first take. I gotta do this again.
Do your outro again. Go.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. In my last outro, I said subscribe to Josh, but I'm not going to this time because he really just did that.
That's fair.
Thank you so much, Nerf, for helping out with this video. Guys, if you want to check out the new Ultra One Blaster, click the link in the description below. I guess the good thing about this, now I know I gotta get in the shower.
And I get to make fun of this again. Pink loofah, everybody, look at that.
It's 98 cents on sale.
You're gonna need to use it to clean off your face. Oh, I did a much better job this time.
Oh, did you? Good.
Yep.
So happy. Thanks, guys. This is absurd. I'm never using this pie again. Peace.
Oh.